Choosing the right juicer machine can be tricky. Low juice yield, noisy motors, clogging issues, and hard-to-clean designs often ruin the experience. That's why cold press and electric juicer machines stand out. They extract more nutrients, produce less heat, operate quietly, and deliver fresher juice. Today I'll show you the top 5 best juicer machines of 2026, carefully selected for home use, citrus lovers, and health-focused users. We analyzed product specs and real user feedback to build this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart appliance reviews. Number 5. BioloMix Cold Press Juicer. The BioloMix Cold Press Juicer is a slow masticating juicer designed for high juice yield and nutrient retention. Its reverse function helps prevent clogging and makes juicing fibrous fruits and vegetables easier. The machine operates quietly, making it perfect for early mornings or shared spaces. Cleaning is simple thanks to its detachable parts and included cleaning brush. With durable build quality and efficient juice extraction, this juicer is a solid choice for beginners looking for healthy, fresh juice with minimal effort. Number 4. Seago Electric Portable Juicer. The Seago electric juicer machine is a compact and portable solution for quick juice preparation. Featuring a stainless steel hand-press design in a 400 milliliter capacity, it's ideal for oranges, lemons, and soft fruits. It supports both 110 volts and 220 volts power, making it suitable for home or travel use. Simple one-button operation ensures ease of use, while the sturdy build delivers reliable performance. Perfect for users who want fresh juice without bulky machines or complicated setups. Number 3. BioloMix Cold Press Juicer 78mm Feed Chute. This BioloMix Cold Press Juicer comes with a wide 78mm feed chute, allowing whole fruits to be juiced without pre-cutting. Powered by a 200-watt motor running at 40 to 65 RPM, it extracts juice efficiently while preserving vitamins and enzymes. The slow masticating system reduces oxidation and foam, resulting in smoother, fresher juice. Built for daily use, it handles fruits and vegetables with ease and offers excellent yield, making it ideal for serious health-conscious users. Number 2. Rojny Citrus Juicer 850W. The Rojny Citrus Juicer is a powerful 850-watt electric juicer built specifically for oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits. Its stainless steel body and aluminum die-casting handle provide durability and strong pressing force. The hardcore press system extracts juice quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for commercial-style home use. Easy operation and fast performance make it perfect for families or juice lovers who need fresh citrus juice daily without waiting, as this machine delivers speed and strength. Number 1. SiFENE Cold Press Juicer. The SiFENE Cold Press Juicer is the most advanced juicer on this list, designed for maximum juice yield and convenience. It features a slow masticating system with dual mouth feeding, reducing prep time and preventing clogging. The BPA-free design ensures safe, healthy juicing, while the easy clean structure saves time after use. Ideal for fruits and vegetables, it delivers smooth juice with rich nutrients and minimal waste. If you want premium performance and reliability, this juicer is the top choice. A good juicer machine makes healthy living easier with higher juice yield, quieter operation, and better nutrition. These 5 models cover everything from portable citrus juicers to advanced cold press machines. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and start juicing smarter. Which one would you pick? Comment below and subscribe for more appliance reviews.